Hello everyone. So to make a routine, first of all analyze your subjects. If you have total 8 subjects, you can divide 3 plus 3 plus 2. Or if you have 7 subjects, then 3 plus 3 plus 1. For example, I have 7 subjects. So I will divide them 3 plus 3 plus 1. First of all, I made 7 boxes for 7 days and 4 boxes for the timing morning, noon, evening, and night. Always try to study just after you wake up. That time your brain is super activated. You can wake up at 5 am, 6, 8, or 10 am, but study just after waking up. I have chosen math and physics in the morning because they both need concentrations because they both have calculations the most. Make sure there is a balance between the subjects like math and physics. They both have calculations, so I have not chosen them on the same day. My ICT syllabus is quite short, that's why I have chosen that for only Friday. I can study that only once a week. Biology and chemistry. I have chosen these two for night because they have less calculations and they need a lot of time to study. That's why I have chosen them for the night. As you can see, there's no other subjects in Friday because I have saved some time so that I can fill my gaps that day. If someday I would not be able to study a particular subject, I will study that subject or that part on Friday. On the other hand, English and Bangla is easier, so I have put them into the evening section because I won't need much time for those two. Also, I have put them on the different days. Shooting video for YouTube, editing them, uploading them takes a lot of time. So I need to do this every day. So I have chosen every day noon time for YouTube. I love watching movies, so I have chosen a particular time for only movies. Last but not the least, the most important point is just follow the routine. Don't just make it and put it on the table and then you forgot it. Don't do it, guys. Bye bye.